What's up guys, Dave Monster here, and I am back in Miami, Florida and doing some content down here today and tomorrow. It's gonna be super cool. I was up early this morning, getting ready to go to the airport, hanging out with my wife, getting a little early morning workout and red light therapy in, when I received a text message from the owner of Ice Barrel. Wyatt texted me and said, dude, I saw the review of the Ice Barrel 500, the engagement, the performance of that video is amazing. He then told me he wanted to give me alone an early access link to purchase the Ice Barrel 500. He told me I could share that with my friends, and I believe that you are my friends. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that link right down the first line of the show notes of the description of this video if you would also like to purchase the Ice Barrel 500 early access. See, I was under the impression it wasn't gonna be released until the summer. The information you saw in that review video was my honest, what I knew. So I'm very excited to say we can now purchase the Ice Barrel 500 way ahead of schedule. So go ahead and check out that link down below. Make sure you use discount code MAUS, that's M-A-U-S, so that one, they know where the purchase came from, but two, it also supports me and this channel and the ability for me to make more content for all of us. So I appreciate all that support. Also, the Ice Barrel chiller is supposed to be announced today to those who have signed up for the VIP early access. If you have not done that, I haven't got the email yet, so there might still be time. Go ahead and also, I'll put that link down below for you to check out as well. And who knows, if you just don't even like the Ice Barrel 500 or the chiller, but you're still on the fence and you want to purchase an Ice Barrel 400 or an Ice Barrel 300, I'm going to also give you a link down below that you can check out too. So basically, watch this video, get excited about Ice Barrel, and then go down to the video description and pick a link of your choice and do what you got to do. Or ask a question and I will answer those questions. I appreciate you guys for watching. This is an uncut, I needed to get this out there for you because if you want to buy the Ice Barrel 500 like me, you're going to want to do it sooner than later, all right? Appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next video. There's a lot of content coming. This is super exciting. Have a great day, guys. God bless.